did my heart love till now? Forswear its sight, for I ne'er saw true beauty till this night.
Pilgrim, you do wrong your hand too much, which mannerly devotion shows in this, for saints have hands that pilgrims' hands do touch.
By yours, my sins are purged.
I'd heard of the Tyndall Institute and I knew it was a science thing, but it never occurred to me that it was open to the public. It never occurred to me that you could go in and find out everything about it. So actually I was really blown away by that.
The teeth.
Yeah.
The lights that make your teeth go white. Unbelievable.
You're a brilliant venue. Very unexpected. We didn't realise we were coming here. 100% improvement. It's totally different. You know, I can't believe it, that it's so changed, you know, that it's from what we had before.
My favourite part was seeing inside the artist studios. I think it was a really kind of unusual thing to be able to see.
You feel like you're looking into the artist's soul because you're going all the way into the actual studios themselves. And then in the printmakers you get to see how the prints are made, which just you take so for granted when you actually see it. So really, yeah, fascinating, really, really interesting. It was really interesting tonight because we went to three really quite different things. For the sports people, there was Cork City, there was the Tyndall Institute, which I'd never been to before. That was, like as a science lover, I thought that was really, really interesting. And then for the arts lover, there was the Backwater Arts and the Cork Prints. Absolutely brilliant night, fantastic. I think that's the good thing about Culture Night. It gives you a chance to go and see things that wouldn't be normally open to you, you know.